After watching this video, go check i-UIF yakho. Mhlampe bayithathile. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama asiqale. We have Ufumu Mkhalira Cifu Msiska. We're just gonna call him Ufumu. He's a Malawian-born permanent resident of South Africa. We have Ugladness Mkhonto Msiska. We're just gonna call her Gladness. And then we have Ubongani Mkhonto, da brother. All of this. Let's go back as we move to the very beginning. Ngo 2020, the government decided to fund our businesses so they can pay their employees. Understand ukuthi the Mkhonto family and the Siska family saw an opportunity, so they opened a business and called it F&A Consulting CC. After that, they went to the unemployment insurance fund and went to claim relief. All of this happened between October 2020 to January 2021, and Isiyong Elimali, they managed to get an estimated amount of 26 to 31 million payout from UIF. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi Zero, how did they do it kanjani? It's impossible. Understand ukuthi the company allegedly submitted applications claiming that hundreds of abasebenzi babo were qualified for the relief fund yango 2020. Hlakanipha-ke mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi none of those employees were real, bebengekho. Ka-UIF, they processed the claims. Understand ukuthi since amaphepha looked real, they looked legitimate. After that, UIF then gave a company an amount of 26.9 million. Le mali yangena kuma bank account akamsiska family nomkhonto family. Imali yokuqala eyangena kwi-company was 26.9 million. But asikaqedi. There's more. Ngo April 2020, they created 724 ghost employees. Ngo May 2020, they created 587 ghost employees. Ngo June 2020, they created 743 ghost employees. Ngo July 2020, they created 763 ghost employees. Ngo August 2020, they created 767 employees. And of course, ngo September 2020, they created 773 ghost employees, and bonke laba babaclaimela yonke le mali yangena. This is uBhuti Bongani Mkhonto. Kuningi. uBhuti Bongani Mkhonto, the brother, uyena owayerecruiter abantu ebathembisa umsebenzi. Abantu would give uBhuti Bongani ama-CV with ama-details abo. And of course, uBhuti Bongani would hand over the information, and leyo information would be used uklema i-UIF. Hlakanipha mntu omnyama, and let's follow the money. They bought a 2019 Land Rover and a Range Rover. They also bought a 2011 Toyota Fortune. They bought a 2005 Mercedes-Benz. They bought a 2015 BMW X6. They also bought a 2019 Mercedes-Benz. They bought a 2010 Caterpillar. Backhoe. Is that a good car? Is it injalo moto? But they also bought houses. This is umuzi wabo wase Pretoria. Beautiful house. This is umuzi wabo wase Middelburg. Wow. This is umuzi kaBhuti Bongani eWhite River. No, ngiyamjaja. I don't like the garage. I don't like the. Ngathi lelo ivulayo, ilelo idonselayo. Ngeke. Ngiyamjaja.